Hey there! Today I have for you a no-bake chocolate eclair cake. This is a classic Jell-o recipe and trust me, it does not disappoint. Each bite has just the perfect amount of vanilla pudding, Cool Whip, graham crackers, and chocolate. Now let's dive into the recipe. Start by adding one 3.4 ounce instant vanilla pudding mix into a mixing bowl. Then add in 1 3/4 cups of cold milk. Now whisk for 2 minutes until the vanilla pudding mixture becomes thick. There we go. Now stir in the entire 8-ounce container of Cool Whip. Gently fold in the Cool Whip into the pudding mixture until fully combined. It should be light and creamy, almost like mousse. Now set aside and grab another bowl, cause now we're gonna melt a 4-ounce unsweetened chocolate bar. Microwave on high for about 1.5 minutes. Now stir until the chocolate is fully melted and blended. Now add in a 1/4 cup of butter. And microwave on high for 30 seconds. Then stir until the butter and chocolate are fully incorporated. Add 1.5 cups of powdered sugar into the chocolate butter mixture. Then add a 1/4 cup of cold milk. Finally, mix it all up until everything is fully combined. Alright, this is looking good. Now you're going to need the entire box of graham crackers. Lay out about 1/3 of the crackers in a 13 by 9 inch pan. Then pour in half the Cool Whip mixture and spread it evenly. Add in another layer of graham crackers over the Cool Whip vanilla layer. Now add in the remaining half of the Cool Whip mixture. And spread evenly. Add in the last layer of graham crackers. Finally, spread the chocolate mixture all over the graham crackers. Spread it evenly. Refrigerate for at least 4 hours in the fridge before enjoying. And that's it. Super easy, super delicious. You can store this in the fridge for up to 4 days or in the freezer for up to 3 months. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe.